Minister Modi is contesting for his third term from the Varanasi Lok Sabha seat. When we talk about other candidates contesting against him, there are 6 candidates left in the race against him. Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to Mood Tiranga. Today in this report, we will be focusing on PM Modi's stronghold Varanasi seat. In 2014, PM Modi contested for the first time from Varanasi and became the Prime Minister. He won by 3.72 lakh votes against Arvind Kejriwal. In 2019, PM Modi again won from the Varanasi seat. This time his victory margin increased to 4.95 lakh votes. If we talk about PM Modi's rival candidates, then in 2014 there were 41 candidates in the fray against Prime Minister Modi. In 2019 there were 26 candidates. Now when we talk about 2024, then initially there were 41 candidates who filed their nomination papers, of whom one withdrew on his own. However, only 7 candidates managed to get past the scrutiny process. Just 3 days before the results are announced, polls will be held on June 1st. Let's talk about the Varanasi Lok Sabha seat now. If we look at the demographics, then the majority of the voters are upper caste Hindus, including Brahmins and Jaiswals. They are followed by Muslims and OBCs. BJP has won the seat 7 times since 1991. It lost the seat only once in 2004 to Congress. Let's now talk about other candidates who are contesting against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. First candidate is Ajay Rai. Ajay Rai is India Alliance's candidate fielded against Prime Minister Modi. Ajay Rai is Congress UP President. He contested from Varanasi seat in 2009, 2014 and 2019. But lost by a big margin. Each time he finished third. He is also a 5-time MLA. He won from Kolasla seat thrice on BJP ticket and once as an independent candidate. Then from 2012 to 2017, he was Congress MLA from Pindra Assembly seat in Varanasi. Next is Athar Jamal Lari. Athar Jamal Lari is BSP's candidate. He is resident of Varanasi. He owns a loom. He made his electoral debut from Varanasi seat on the Janata Party ticket and lost. Then in 1991, he contested from Varanasi Cant seat for the Janata Dal but lost. Then in 2004, he contested for Apna Dal. In 2022, Jamal Lari joined BSP. Next is Koli Shetty Shiva Kumar. Koli Shetty Shiva Kumar is from Yuva Tulasi Party. He is a resident of Hyderabad. He is also a former member of Tirumala Tirupati Devashatnams, which is a trust that manages temples. Reports tell that main issue for Shiva Kumar in Varanasi is the demand that the government declares cow as a national animal. There is a case against this candidate for cheating, fraud and criminal intimidation. Back in Hyderabad, Shiva Kumar and his party was in news for complaints that its symbol bears too close a resemblance to that of the BRS. Next is Gagan Prakash Yadav. Gagan Prakash Yadav, who is Apna Dal candidate, he has been with Apna Dal for several years. He has represented the interest of students and farmers. He has been a leader since his student days. Next is Dinesh Kumar Yadav. Dinesh Kumar has remained a 3-time corporator from Varanasi. He has been active in politics for the past 15 years. He was with the BJP till he decided to file nomination from Varanasi. However, BJP party's regional media in charge has denied Dinesh Kumar was ever with the party. Then there is Sanjay Kumar Tiwari. Sanjay Kumar is a New Delhi-based social worker. He is an independent candidate. He claims to be part of the movement for the welfare of workers and laborers. He took the decision to contest because, according to him, he is the critic of PM Modi. So these are the candidates contesting against Prime Minister Modi from Varanasi Lok Sabha seat. The seat goes for polling tomorrow in the last phase of polling. Well, that's all for this episode of Mood Tiranga. Till then, keep watching HW News English for all the updates on elections.
A grueling 6-week-long general election in India is coming to an end. 543 constituencies across the length and breadth of India.
लोकसभा चुनाव 2024 आ चुका है अपने अंतिम पड़ाव पर। कौन होगा विजय? किसकी बनेगी सरकार?
Will the BJP do 400 par, a claim made by the Prime Minister, or will the opposition India alliance stage a comeback?
अब की बार
Join us as we bring to you expert analysis and incisive and in-depth perspectives on who has the edge.
पाए सटीक विश्लेषण, बिना किसी शोर, बिना किसी सनसनी, हमारे इस विशेष लाइव।
So join us for the exit poll on the 1st and for the final results on the 4th. See you then.
Exit polls coverage on 1st June 6:30 p.m. onwards. Result day on 4th June 7 a.m. onwards.
सिर्फ HW News English और HW News Network पर।
Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.